Hi, we have canvas number 11, I think it is, coming up. Okay, I think we will have one more after this. We originally started with 12, and I know this says canvas number 11, but I did 2 on one Monday. I did 8 and 8A, but they were counted within the 12. So, but anyway, this one is it's actually number 12, but we're calling it 11. And since it's the last one, there's no wheel. And I think I will be doing one more out of my own stash that I'm just not going to do it. So, all right. Do you want to see what today's is? Oh, congratulations to the winner of the Miss Butter D. I'm sure you are going to love it. Okay, this one is not a Miss Butter D. If those of you that are keeping track, you already know which one it is. This one is called Kitsune by Tomorrow's Problem. It is a 22 by 28. Speaking of 22 by 28, or is it 20 by 30? The pumpkins are coming out later. Oh, please, people, leave me a pumpkin. Yep, the pumpkins are coming. The pumpkins are coming. I'm so excited for the pumpkins. Okay, all right, let's get back to it. Okay, this one is this girl. Okay. She's a 22 by 28. She's got 51,914 drills, and it is a round. Okay. Oh, here's a treasure card. This is a bronze. It will come with the kit, unless you do not want the treasure card. You let me know. Okay, this is our little envelope. Here is our sticker. And here are the 36 colors. Oh, she's going to look fabulous. Fabulous. So let's put that, and we'll put the treasure card right there. So if you do not want the treasure card, let me know. Because it is a bronze, nothing special. Here is the toolkit. I always show the toolkit for these so you can see everything you get. This is the putty with the plastic tip. You get the bag of baggies. You get a metal tip if you want to switch it out. You get a multi-placer. Now let's zoom you in a little bit. You get a multi-placer. You get the metal tip if you choose to switch it out. You get a little bag of putty. And you get heart wax. So that is what comes in your toolkit. And this is an older tray, but it comes with the stopper, the cover, comes with everything you need to diamond paint. And you get a bag of baggies. Excuse me. Try to avoid a sneeze. Okay. So there's your toolkit, and here's your little envelope. And Here is your shelf. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but there it is. Okay, let me move this. Oh, there's a lot of red in this, guys. A lot of reds. All right, let's bring it up. Bring it up. Her eyes are going to be pretty. I bet you that's a U. Okay, there's two ABs and two fairy dusts. Of course, one of the fairy dust is the 666, and that is going to be in her hair. Yep, it's going to be in her hair. And it will be the U here is ABs in her eyes. And we want the little black dot right here. These are fair ABs. They're going to be in her hair. All in her hair. Oh, look at her little tattoo. Okay, we got... All right, the U, the square, the percentage, and the U-turn are all special drills. And I do not see any of it in the fox. Oh, the U-turn. I take that back. The fox has got the U-turn. The fairy dust 666 in that fox. And it's in here, in her hair. Right in here. Guys, this kit is going to shine. Wow. I hope you like a lot of white. That she's going to be gorgeous. Look at that. There's fairy dust in here underneath her eyes. I don't know if they're tears or just tattoo markings, but they are there. Beautiful. And there's even a AB in her nose right there. I think that's supposed to be a nose ring. I think that's what that is, but let's see, does the thumbnail... It looks like she does have a nose ring. Let me look. Yes, that's a nose ring. And then in her mouth, she's got like jewelry, I guess, in her face, right here in her lips. So, interesting piece of art. And it's going to be beautiful. Look at all the beautiful colors. Look at that. Yep, it's around. Look at these. Beautiful. Here's the ABs, the white rounds. And those are not the fairy dust. These are right here. The red. And no, that's not the other one. The 6,000 drill. I always like the 6,000 drill because those are the colors that Diamond Art Club came up with and felt the canvas needed it. So I like to show those if I spot them. Here's an AB, just a little bit, but it's going to be enough. It'll look great. Here is the other fairy dust right here. Yeah, that's all I could find. I think that was all of them anyway. So look, I just love the colors. There's 2 bags of black. Is it 2 bags? Yep, 2 bags of black, so that's not bad. And the black will be in the corners, the upper corners. And the bottom. That's probably, yeah. And then there's also 3371, which is like a dark brown. Oh, here's the other fair. Oh, I did show you that one. Okay. So your toolkit has everything you're going to need. I hope this is a canvas that somebody's been wanting. This is the first time I've ever seen this. I'm not even familiar with the artist. Tomorrow's Problem. I have not heard of it before. But you see this canvas has the red lines. So let's see if it bled through. It has. This canvas has the red lines that bled through. You can see it. Okay, if you look, it's got it right here. And this is a round canvas, so don't know. I would think it wouldn't be a big deal because it's mostly red, but I hope it doesn't affect the canvas. I did not know about the red lines. I haven't ordered anything about the red line. I mean, I knew about it, but I chose not to order anything because I did not want to get something with the red lines. Now it's no problem in the red, and it might not even look bad because the hair, there's a lot of red in the canvas, so it might not look bad anyway, guys. I don't know. This is not, I'm not going to be doing this canvas. One of you will. One of you will. So I hope this canvas, Kitsune by Tomorrow's Problem, is on your wish list, because all you have to do is pay for shipping and put in the comments, I want this one. And let me know if you want the trading card. Let me know that. And I will include it. I do not need it. So if you think I need it, I do not. So it's just a pretty card. It really is. So, oh, I'm excited because I love the colors. I just love the colors. Whoever gets this is really going to enjoy doing this. And I'm hoping the red lines are not going to be a big problem because of how red the canvas is. So, okay, I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I really hope this is one on your wish list. Put in the comments, I want this one, and be kind to everyone you meet.